where you are going now.
Wait, what do you mean?
Why you look me like that?
Oh, yeah. That moment. That exact moment where everything just slows down.
Yeah, not because you wanted to, but because something didn't land.
And you can feel it, that tiny pause, that tiny shift in the other person's face.
It's not confusion like, I don't understand English. It's confusion like, I almost understood you, but something is off.
Exactly. And that almost, that's the painful part.
Because inside, you're thinking, I know these words. I've learned this.
But when it comes out, it doesn't sound like you imagined.
And that's where confidence breaks. Not because you don't know English.
But because your sentences don't flow yet.
And today, we slow that down. We fix that flow.
All right, before we go any further, just pause for a second. Hey, I'm Zivara, and if that moment felt uncomfortable, if you felt that little tension, that little voice saying, why can't I say this properly? You're not alone, not even close.
And I'm Oren, and I want you to really hear this. That feeling, where you understand everything. You can read, you can listen, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. Or worse, you speak, and it doesn't sound right. We've all been there.
So welcome, not just to a lesson, but to something that actually changes how you speak, how you feel when you speak.
Welcome to Speak English Confidently in 30 Days, Zero to Hero.
And today, we are on day 3.
Now today might look simple, really simple.
Words like what, where, how, why, when, who.
And maybe you're thinking, I learned this years ago.
Yeah, but here's the truth. Knowing a word and using it naturally in real life are completely different things.
Today, we connect them.
We take these simple words and turn them into real conversations.
Real mistakes, real pauses, real emotions.
And slowly, step by step, you start sounding natural, clear, confident.
So over these 30 days, you'll learn 180 words, 30 real rules.
But more importantly, you'll build something deeper, your speaking instinct.
So take a breath, slow your mind down.
And let's begin.
All right, before we go back to that moment, let's give your brain the exact tools it needs.
And we're not rushing this. We're going slow. Because speed comes after clarity. Let's start with what? What? This word is about things, information, something unknown.
Listen. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now?
Feel that. What are you doing?
Now another one. What do you want? What do you want?
Simple, but powerful.
Now, where? This is about place, movement, direction.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Notice the rhythm. Where are you going?
Now another. Where do you live? Where do you live?
Next, how? This is feeling, experience, method.
How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today?
How do you do this? How do you do this?
Now, why? This is emotion, reason, curiosity.
Why are you late? Why are you late?
Why do you like this? Why do you like this?
Next, when? Time, moments, plans.
When are you coming? When are you coming?
When do you start work? When do you start work?
And finally, who? People, identity, connection.
Who are you meeting? Who are you meeting?
Who do you trust? Who do you trust?
Now, pause.
Did you notice something?
Every sentence has a helper.
Are, do.
And that tiny thing? That's today's breakthrough. Now listen. This part is small, but it changes everything.
This is where Emma struggled.
She said, "Where you are going."
And honestly, we understand it.
But it doesn't flow.
Let me tell you something. I remember, years ago, I said, "Why you are late." And I felt it, that tiny embarrassment.
Not big, but enough to make you quiet.
Then I heard the correct flow. Why are you late?
Same words,
Different order. And suddenly, everything felt natural. That's what we're doing today. Small shift, big impact. All right, let's go back. Slowly. Feel everything.
don't rush. Just listen.
Where you're going? Now?
Wait, what do you mean?
Why you look me like that?
I'm just trying to understand.
I ask normal question.
Yeah, I get it, but something feels off.
Off?
Yeah, like something is missing.
Okay. Where you go?
Still not quite right.
Oh no.
Hey, don't worry, slow down.
What you doing now?
I'm walking to a cafe
Why you go cafe?
because I'm meeting someone
Who you meet? When you meet him?
in 10 minutes.
How you feel now?
A little confused, but okay.
I think I speak wrong.
Not wrong, just not natural yet.
Okay. I try again. Where you going?
Almost.
Why you smiling?
Because you're improving.
What? I say wrong.
You're missing small words.
Small words, big problem.
Exactly.
Who helped me?
I can help
When we practice?
right now,
How we start?
one sentence at a time.
Okay, I try again. What you doing now? Still close. This is hard.
It's not hard, it's just new.
Okay. I don't stop.
Okay, let's fix this together. Slowly. No pressure.
Yeah, don't rush this part. This is where everything changes.
Emma said, "Where you are going now."
And yeah, we understand her.
But listen to how it feels. Where you are going.
It feels heavy, a bit broken.
Now listen to this. Where are you going now?
Same meaning, but now it flows, like one line.
Then Emma said, "Why you look me like that?"
You can feel the emotion, but the structure is missing something.
A more natural way is, "Why are you looking at me like that?"
Now it sounds complete, clear, natural.
Then she said, "I ask normal question."
And yeah, we get it.
But a smoother way is, "I asked a normal question."
Now it feels finished.
Then, where you go?
Let's slow that down.
Where are you going?
Hear that? Are, just one word.
But it changes everything. Then, what you doing now?
Becomes, what are you doing now?
Again, that helper word.
That tiny bridge.
Then, why you go cafe?
We make it, why are you going to the cafe?
Now it sounds like real English. Then, who you meet.
Who are you meeting?
Smooth, natural. Then, when you meet him.
When are you meeting him?
See the pattern?
Yeah, you're starting to feel it now.
Then, how you feel now.
How do you feel now?
Now it sounds like a real question. Then, I think I speak wrong.
We soften it, make it natural. I think I'm speaking wrong.
Now it feels real, human. Then, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Then, why are you smiling?
Why are you smiling?
Then, what I say wrong?
What did I say wrong?
Then, who helped me?
Who can help me?
Then, when we practice.
When can we practice?
And finally, how we start.
How do we start?
Now pause. Just take that in. Same ideas, same meaning, but now everything flows.
That's the difference between knowing English and sounding natural in English. Now listen again, slowly, clearly, and notice the difference. Now Emma sounds completely different.
Where are you going now?
Wait, what do you mean?
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm just trying to understand.
I asked the normal question.
Yeah, that sounds much clearer.
Where are you going?
Perfect. That sounds natural.
What are you doing now?
I'm walking to a cafe
Why are you going to the cafe?
because I'm meeting a friend.
Who are you meeting?
My colleague.
When are you meeting him?
In 10 minutes.
How do you feel now?
I feel good. And now I understand you clearly.
Oh, now it feels easy.
All right, now this is your moment.
Don't just listen. Speak.
Slow, clear, repeat after us. Where are you going? Where are you going?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Why are you here? Why are you here?
Who are you meeting? Who are you meeting?
When are you coming? When are you coming?
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Where are you going now? Where are you going now?
What are you doing today? What are you doing today? All right, let's bring this into real life.
Imagine this. You're standing in a busy cafe. People behind you. Soft noise. Pressure.
Your turn comes, and suddenly, your mind goes quiet.
You know what you want to say, but your words don't come out right.
I remember this so clearly. I was at an airport, tired, nervous, and I wanted to ask, where is the gate?
Simple. Very simple.
But I said, where gate? That pause felt so long, and inside, I thought, I know this. Why can't I say it? Maybe you felt that too, that small embarrassment, that moment where you just want to stop speaking.
But here's the shift. Now, you don't guess.
Now you say, where are you going?
What are you doing?
Why are you here?
And suddenly, people understand you instantly.
And that confidence, that feeling, it starts here with small sentences.
All right, take a second.
Before today, you knew the words.
But your sentences felt broken.
Now you can feel the structure.
You can hear the rhythm.
Today, you can now ask clear, natural questions using what, where, how, why, when, and who. You're doing something powerful.
Not just learning, but changing how you speak.
Day 3, and already, real progress.
Keep going. Don't stop here.
We'll see you in Day 4. Same journey, stronger voice.
Let's keep building. Together.